Hello, math kids. This is Mrs. Heskett. I'm going to show you how to use Quizizz, how to sign up and make your own quiz. So you're going to want to go and hit sign up. Go to quizizz.com and sign up with your Google account. So see, I have two Google accounts. I'm going to sign up with my Fort Hays one because I haven't used that one yet for Quizizz. Now, you're going to go and you're going to hit I'm a student, and you can put in your birthday. I'm going to make up a birthday. Let's say, let's do 2006 because that's when a lot of you were born. Okay, and I'll type in, and you can type in mine, lheskett@hoxie.org, or you can type in your parents. It doesn't matter. But if you don't know your parents, just do lheskett@hoxie.org and then hit update. Okay, now it says continue. So now we can get into Quizizz. Okay, and I want you to take your math questions that you made with a partner, and you each are going to create your own quiz. That way you both have done it. So you're going to hit create new quiz. You can either create from up here or create over here. So I'll just hit create new quiz. And you're going to enter the quiz name, and you can put your first name and then chapter 5 test review. So keep it at English. Please don't mess with adding an image. That doesn't really matter. You don't need to align the quiz to state standards, and then hit save. Okay, now all you need to do is, we'll see, here's the test over here. What you need to do is create a new question. So just go to this button, create a new question, and you can type in, what is 10% of 100? And then you can put in your answer options. So you can make up one, like, oh, let's throw in a dummy answer. And these should be on your cards. You should have 4 multiple choice answers, and only one is correct. So 10% is 10, let's say 1, or 1,000. Okay, 10% of 10 would be 10. So then you're going to click on that one to make it have the correct answer. Over here, it's showing you a little bit what that will look like on screen. And you can set the timer. It doesn't really, we can shut that off anyhow, so it doesn't really matter. And then hit save. Now you can add another question. So you need to have 6 questions, one from each lesson. So do all 6, and then when you are done, so type in all 6. Again, make sure you have 6 questions. If you want to add another one, that's fine. Go ahead and hit finish quiz. And then you can put your grade range. We'll say 6th grade to 6th grade. And this is mathematics. And we are in, you could do word problems if you added word problems. You can just add, this technically would probably be pre-algebra, but that's okay. And hit OK. Now here's your test in Quizizz. You can go ahead, oh, silly Snapchat. You can go ahead and why don't you, when you get this far, then I want you to find the link. Oh, let's hit host a game and hit live game. And hit host game. Live game, then host game, and get the code, the enter code, and give it to me, and then we can have the kids start playing the games. It's okay if you don't do this right away. We can always go back and check to find the game code. But then you'd hit start. So if you want to, even with the questions that you and your partner made together, you can upload them into Quizizz and then trade and see if you got the right answers selected. So have fun with this. Please ask for questions. Have a good day.